I just wanted to do a real quick tutorial on how to use Metamask on your mobile phone and how to connect to websites and stake either coins or NFTs from within actual Metamask. And so we're going to go to a collection that I've been following. It's called Dogeon. They've actually just released their testnet version. And so what we do is go over here to browser, and then up here input the website you want to go to. So we're going to go to nfttrade.com. This is another game. I'm not in there. See how it automatically up here in this corner connected to my MetaMask for me because I'm on the website. So now let's go and find the collection we want to search for. Dogeon. So within the Dogeon, we're going to go price to lowest, and as you can see, the floor is very cheap right now. I don't know why, because these people have minted this for 1 AVAX actually. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and buy a few of these. In the anticipation of the release of the mainnet. I'll probably buy like 8 or so of these right now. Okay, so I see this happen a lot with the actual MetaMask browser. So you have to, if it doesn't work with reloading the page, then you have to sign out of MetaMask and then back in. So see how the confirm button down here is grayed out ish. When that happens, what you have to do is actually close out MetaMask fully. And then log back into it. I should have actually rejected that transaction. Let me close it again. And you have to fully close out of the transaction so it's not stuck in the middle of it when you open it again. So now it logs back into MetaMask normally and go back to your browser. Now we should be able to do this purchase. Wait for it to connect as it auto connects there for you. And we should see that we have 0.862 AVAX in our MetaMask. You can see your AVAX and your WAVAX for any bids that you've placed. And then so we're going to go actually to over here to my NFTs. And we're going to see if that transaction went through. It did not. So let's go back. Go to the Dogecoin NFT, hit the floor price right here, and it will auto list them for you in ascending. So let's grab this one, buy, checkout, approve, and it should work this time. There we go, transaction submitted. It's weird that it's not working. So let's reload this. Okay, so it does not like NFT trade for some reason on mobile. Well, anyways, that's how you would do it on mobiles. You connect to sites in the browser here. Let's see a couple other sites. So you see I have, Wonderland open, Sushi, Matic, Quick Swap. And normally it will work pretty good, so I'm not sure why it's not acting right now. But yeah, that's how you would buy it. Go to NFT trade. Let's see this one. And the button is grayed out again. So yes, it is a mobile Metamask issue. So that's how you would buy NFTs or connect to websites to mint. As you can see as well in my browser here, that's how I minted the police and thief games, minting. Then you have zero loot, and you just buy your loot, or you mint now, and you're already connected. So and if you need to switch networks, you go down here to switch network, then you connect to whichever network you want. Anything other than Ethereum or the Rinkeby, Rospin, or Coven chain, you have to manually set up the RPC end notes in the actual settings of your MetaMask, which would be over here and under settings. You would go to here and then hit networks, and then you would add a network, and you have to manually put in all the networks. Or if you go to a website that actually has the test network on there, so say if you go to like Ohm or something and Olympus DAO, it will attempt to connect and ask you for you to add the RPC settings automatically for you, and that's how you use MetaMask on mobile. Thanks. Hopefully that tutorial was helpful. Any other questions on MetaMask or setting up MetaMask or any customization within MetaMask, do simply let us know, and we will get a hold of you and help you out. So have a great day.